this is Fazal Ur Rahman here from codebook.in. Hope you are enjoying my project videos. Today I brought you a project on very security domain in defense, military defense security concept, how to share the data between the departments, secure data sharing we are doing in this project. And this is a landing page you can see here. Let me tell you what are the technologies we are using in this project. For front-end development we are using HTML5, CSS3 and JavaScript. For backend programming we are using here Python along with the Django framework for web application development. Database we are using MySQL. There are two different types of users are there in this project. One is the administrator and another is the user. To execute the project very smoothly, I will open these two different users in different tabs. Let's say first tab is for administrator and next tab is for user here. Now in administrator I will try to log in here. Login successful. You can see here we have designed a dashboard kind of interface for administrator where we can see some information like total staff in defense, pending confidential data, all confidential data here. Now I'll go to user management and I'll try to add a new staff member here. Employee name I'll give something, employee ID def 123, department, let's select the department DRDO, date of join is let's say 10th of 10 2023, and email ID we have to provide very correctly because we are going to send some email here. Password will be mailed, so that's why email ID should be very correct, otherwise you will not receive the password. So let's select the profile picture. Let's click on this add staff button, and here a mail will be sent to the user. You can see here credentials has been sent successfully, the information message we have displayed, and I have received the mail also. And we have been redirected to manage staff page where we can see this staff member details. If we want to edit anything of this staff member, we can click on this icon and edit some information. And if you want to delete also, we can delete here. Now let's go to staff login and perform the login here. As I have received the password in my mail, let me check my mail and provide the password. You can see here I have received the mail here. Dear officer, your official email is this and your password is this, some alphanumeric special characters, everything included. Let's copy this and provide in our password field, login, and now you can see the login is successful. Now let's go to confidential data. In order to store some confidential data onto the server, and enter the file name, info about drones. So upload the file. So if I try to upload any other type of file, you can see here it's not coming. Still if I try to upload it by selecting like this, let's see what will happen if I submit, and you can see the information. It says upload file in PDF format, so we have to upload the file in that format only. Let's upload the PDF file now. Submit. Now the data has been added successfully, and if I go to request record, no request is received, no files are there in approved record request, and the received file also no files are there. Let's log out and check with the another user what we can do. So I'll go to admin again and I will try to add a new staff member. Because if we have the multiple users, then the project can be understandable very easily. Department, I'll select the same department. If I select other, because it will not be shared. So same department sharing we have given, so this user is also in the same department, such that both the users can share the data and information in this project. Now let's provide some joining date here, email ID, state, country, address, pin code, profile photo, add staff. So here also the mail will be sent, okay, the password will be sent to the user. These two users are available right now. Let's try to log in with that user. Let me copy the password from my mail. You can see I have received the mail here and the password is this. Let me copy. Login. Login is successful. Now under request record option, now I will see one file is there from the same department, and I can search from here also. Like if I do like this, you will notice that the same file will be displayed, same record is displayed. If we have multiple records, then it will be very easy for searching purpose. Now this record is available from the same department. Suppose if I want to request, I can send request like this from here. And what title do I want? Okay, department you cannot change it, this is the user, and what title you want and what description you can mention here. Title is nothing but drones info. I need this file for my research. Okay, send request. The request will be sent. Now the approved record request will come here, okay, and receive the files. Let's log out and log in with that user and send the file. But before that, we need to go to administrator. Under published contents, we need to accept that file. So let's go to admin and content management. Published content is there. You can see there is a file from this user and it needs to be accepted. Let's click on accept here, and published content accepted successfully. Now I will log in with that user. Let me copy the password. Login successful. Approved record request. There is a request from this user codebook, and let's see what request it has completely. The request information will be given in the QR code format. If you scan that, you will see, okay, what is the information. Let me scan in my mobile phone, and I have already scanned and I can see the data here, like department DRDO, title is drones info, description I need this file for my research. So this information is displayed when I scanned this image file, scanned. Okay, now name of the file, what you want, you can give here, drones info research, and we can select the file to send. Description I can provide here. Some information. Send record. So the request is sent here. Let's log out now and log in with that user. Let me copy the password. Login. Login is successful. Under received files, if I go here, I can see I have received a file here, and the description you can see here. my drones info, please make sure it's not publicly available. If I want, I can delete this request. If I want to download first, I can download like this. Okay, done. It's downloaded. Here is the file. Okay, this is the file. So in this way we are saying that we can provide security to the defense, okay, confidential data, by providing some QR code concept and not revealing much information, and very securely we can share the data within the department, not outside the department. Okay, let's see some other stuff like profile here. This is the profile. If I want, I can only change here my name, state and address, pin code. Remaining details I cannot change because it's assigned by the administrator, and I can change the profile picture as well. Okay, so in administrator, if we go here now in all content, we can see one content is there. If we want, we can delete this as well. So that's it for a while right now. Hope you have understood this project. Very simple and very important concept project for data security in defense system. This was all about the project execution explanation. Hope you have understood it very clearly. Still, if you have any doubts or issues, you can get back to me. My WhatsApp number has been given. You can ping me on WhatsApp as well. With this, I conclude the project execution. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.